Hello everyone, Mandarin ganache with mixed berry pâte de fruits. Little bit of crunchy caramel with pistachio, and this one of the best bonbon praline. You can make it for your guests, for your friends. Really amazing. Step by step to make successful pâte de fruits, and you can see the texture, smoothness, creamy and crunchy. Three flavor in one, and that is why new technique of chocolate bring you amazing experience, take you to the different dimension in the galaxy. Let's start and do one of the best bonbon you ever make. We'll start with mixed berry. Beginning, I have mold, and then so easy I brush green, yellow and black. So easy. First spray yellow color, then one brush green, one brush black, and as you see cerealism, and you have fantastic recipe. After that we spray with white cacao butter, leave it to crystallize 1 day before, then we tempering the chocolate 55%, we fill the mold, we shake it to take all the bubbles, then we leave it 50 seconds to make light shell, then we embed the mold, leave it to crystallization. Let's do mixed berry. Mixed berry is so easy. 250 gram fresh berry mix, whatever you can make it, raspberry, blueberry or three together. 4 gram pectin NH, we mix it with 40 gram of sugar. Very important, pectin NH. And there is other brand called pectin slow set. Both of them you can use it for pâte de fruits. So the trick is to add it pectin when becomes 50 degree. 1 spoon of glucose, 30 gram of glucose. So now we have mixed berry and then glucose, 4 gram pectin, mix it with 40 gram of sugar. This is very important. If you did the pectin direct, it will make lumps. So when it start hot, like 50 degree, I added the pectin, then 70 gram sugar step by step. And as you see, the recipe is ready. All you need, we will add it 2.5 gram citric acid with 2.5 water, and this will be tartaric acid solution or citric acid solution. You can also use malic acid or creme tartare. So you have 3 different acid, you can use it for pâte de fruits. What we do, when the juice boil 1.7 degree, I remove from the stove. Never added citric solution on the stove. So we remove the cake, the appareil, and then we added citric acid, then we add it to the mold direct. Here we go. Mandarin, 230 gram mandarin, we boil it to reduce it to half. So all I need 110 juice from 230. Bench of vanilla best or vanilla beans. I like vanilla best, is very nice taste, which I use Valerona. When it start boiling, I added 10 gram glucose or tourmaline. In the channel you will find how to make tourmaline. I leave it boil for 2 minutes, and then we add it to the chocolate. 230 gram white chocolate. We leave it for 1 minute, so the chocolate already melted. So we continue with hand blender. Hand blender, very, very important. Minimum, you have to mix it for 4 or 5 minutes to make sure that all smooth. You remove all bubbles inside. After that, you pour in the container 24 hours before you use. As we learn, we spray the mold and make ganache 1 day before, and second day we finish or we make the filling. Here we go. I fill third of the mold with Mandarin ganache, and here the berry pâte de fruits. So you can use whatever you want. I try to make two different techniques. Here I roasted pistachio and then I crushed. So you don't need video for that. Just roasted any nuts you like. And here 100 gram sugar I caramelized and I crushed. So here only pistachio crushed and here only caramelized crushed. So which give you the taste and the aroma of crunchiness. So you have three texture. Here we go. My pâte de fruits, and then I cover with the chocolate tempering. So easy technique, and three different layer which bring you to different dimension in the galaxy. Here we go. After 15 minutes in the fridge, one of the best ever praline you can ever make. Don't work harder, just work smarter. Follow me for more. Please write what you want to do in next video. Thank you. Ahmed Younis.